Hello friends, welcome to Coding Siksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to uh, add images to your PDF documents using the library called as jsPDF. So this is the demo that we will be building. If I refresh this page, you will be seeing a PDF document that is downloaded. Here you can see that. If I open this document, you can see the image that is rendered inside this PDF document. So this is achieved by the library called as jsPDF. So if you search on Google jsPDF, this is a library, official library, which lets you add, render PDF documents, edit them, all kind of stuff. So this is the official website, GitHub repository. You can just read the documentation and all the examples here. So the documentation is great. It is open source and the developer support is also very good. So the very first thing that you want to do is to grab the CDN of this library. So just copy all this code, and let me just create a new file, index.html, write a suitable title, and after that the jQuery is very much required for this library. So just include the CDN of jQuery, paste it at the very top. After that, paste the CDN of this library, and the last thing that I am importing is the script.js, that is custom JavaScript code that I will write. So let me just delete all this stuff and start from scratch and write this alert box hello world. So if I auto refresh my page here, so you can see that it is working. So first of all, in order to use this library, you want to call a constructor. We will be initializing this constructor, that is by this way, and we have declared a new variable called as doc, and we have initialized this jsPDF constructor. So now in this variable I can pass I can call methods of this library. So the most basic method that we will be seeing this in this video is to add images in PDF documents. So the very first thing in order to add the images is to get the base64 code for image. So let's suppose you want to add any kind of image. Let's suppose just go to Google and type here flower. I want to add flower images. So pick any image. Let's suppose I want to add this image. Save this image. Let me download here. So the image is downloaded. So on the web there are various services available. So you can get image base64 code. So just write this here, and you will be seeing this base64 image encoder. You can just upload your files here. Let me just upload my file. So this is a file, flower file. So you can see that it is imported here. So it is asking me to show the code here. So this is the base64 code. You can see that this code that we want. So just copy this code, and we will be declaring a new variable that is now image data, and we will initialize this to this, put a semicolon, and we will copy paste it. Now you can see that. That's all. So this is the image data for this image. So let me just make it on the same line. So the error is gone. So this is the main thing. This is the main obvious thing that you want to get the base64 code. There you can easily get it by using any kind of online service. It will provide you. So after getting this base64 code, you just want to call this function here. Let me just show you. This is the function. In this example, you can see that we have get the base64 code, and then after that this is a function that you want to add. So let me just copy this line, paste it. So this is a function doc. This is a variable, and in this variable, on this variable, we are calling this function that is add image. and we are passing this base 64 code for the image. Apart from that, we are passing also the extension for the image, that is JPEG, and the x and the y coordinates, that is 0 0, and the last two coordinates are the width and the height of the image. You can pass any coordinates, or you can pass any custom width and height. It is there to, let me just change to 300 comma 300. So this totally depends upon you. So this actually adds the image. So if I save this and refresh the page, let me see if a PDF file has downloaded. So nothing has downloaded because we haven't called the function to invoke the PDF download. So this is a function which will trigger the PDF download, doc.save, and here you can pass any kind of name. Let's suppose I pass here file.pdf. You can pass any name of your choice. So this will actually trigger the PDF download once the page reloads. So if I save this once again, and you can see that if I refresh this page, it is blocking multiple files. So now you can see that a file trigger has been made, that is file.pdf. I have named this file.pdf here. So now if I open this file, so you will see that this is my image, flower image, that has been successfully rendered onto the PDF document. You can see that the image is blurry. So this is totally depends upon your dimensions, totally depends upon the image quality as well. So you can easily pick up your quality of image and then rendered onto the PDF documents. So this is a particular way by which you can use this library. This is a very efficient library for you, very simple library. I have gone through documentation. It is very much easy for new developers who are wanting to achieve this effect. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. This is very simple video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and also comment that how you like this video or not. So I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.